thing in your nightmare, that thing that's holding you back, that thing that's dragging you down, that thing is you. You will not outwork me.
And the whole gig is just a giant hustle. That's all it is. Life is just a hustle. That's all life is. One giant hustle. All right, so I got a treat for y'all this afternoon, or hopefully somebody. I'm hoping that this helps somebody. That's the end goal. If you are financially where you can possibly make this happen, and if you're near Ohio, I got a deal for you. Or if you'll make the drive to Ohio and you're looking for a new race trailer, I'm about to possibly put you on a deal. Now, of course, I can't promise any pricing or anything like that, but I'm about to show y'all potentially could be your next race trailer, and she is big. Let me get this password typed in here on this computer, and we're gonna dive right in. We ain't gonna sugarcoat this one. Let's get at it. All right, you can see Randy storing his stuff in my office. All right, so we're gonna dive right in. We're not gonna edit this thing or sugarcoat this or not like this. Let's dive right in. All right, let's see here. Y'all don't need to see what I paid for vehicles. Let's go to my vehicles. All right, let's see here. Let's find where we are at. This is gonna be for tomorrow, so y'all are gonna have to act fast if you're interested in this. Okay, so I'm gonna give you stock number. Okay, so here's a 2022 cargo trailer. Let's blow this thing up. Y'all are probably already exiting out the video, trying to get to it. All right, let's see here. The damage appears to be on the side right there. It has some damage down the side, but obviously this thing is very usable as is. You can go look at the pictures for yourself. There is the front damage again right there. All the tires appear to be good. There is some damage on the corner back there. You do have lights up top for, I guess, backing up or loading race car. The ramp is tore off of it. The little fold down ramp looks like it's laying right there. You have some more damage down the side of the trailer right there. Looks like it got too close to too many things on each side. Looks like your wheel, one of your wheels is there. That's just a tire. Looks like there's an access door. This thing is crazy clean on the inside. It looks really good. There's your damage down the side. Most of y'all that are on my channel can fix this. This is very basic. Or you can just literally straighten it out, self-tap screw it back together and get onto the track. If you're like, you know, Turbo John or somebody, he don't really care. He just wants it to function and get there. And I've already shared this with Turbo John. Me and him talked about it, and I just can't do it, man. It's too big for me. So it's a 2022. Here's all the stickers if you need to pause this or you want to go actually look at it. Here's all the information. It's just too big. It's too big for me. I can't, no keys for the doors, but you can get all that rekeyed. So being I can't use it and John can't use it, I want to pass it on. You can see it looks like some door damage possibly right there. You can see the reflection. I want to pass it on to one of my subscribers and maybe, you know, help y'all out of something you probably would have never found. Okay, so let's get at it. The stock number. If you go on IAAI's website, so you're going to go to IAAI.com. You're going to punch in that stock number right there, okay? So you're going to type that stock number in on IAA, and that's going to pull you up to this. Now, I'm going to go ahead and tell you that it is currently pre-bidded at $4,525. I feel like that is extremely low for this unit. That's the reason why I'm telling y'all. Now, of course, this can go up in price during the live sale. So you can either pre-bid or live sell it. So if you don't have an account, that's perfectly fine. I believe it's like $200 to sign up. I don't receive anything off of it. I have no links for y'all or nothing. This is benefiting me in no way, shape, or form. Let's see here. Where will you go? Where will you go? Probably up here to help. Let's go over it first, and then I'll show you that. So this is going to be the specialty division. I'm going to go ahead and just cram y'all full of information that it would take you forever to probably learn. I think this starts around lunchtime, but you can, let's see here. Let's see here. No, it says auction date and time, April 19th, 9:30 CDT. So that's going to be Central Right Time, I think, CDT. So 9:30 CDT. Salvage title on the trailer. It is located in Ohio. So there is the address for where this trailer is located. There is the phone number, all the information. They do not have live bids. You're going to have to bid this on the computer. The length of the trailer is 37 feet, 10 feet tall. So this is a freaking amazing trailer for all of us racing guys. 37 feet. I can't do nothing with 37 feet. I don't want to waste y'all's time, but y'all have seen my front yard at my house. You've seen my shop space. I can't do nothing with 37 feet, unfortunately. My lifestyle does not allow a 37-foot trailer currently. So I don't want to just let the other dealers eat it up. I really want to try to get it to a fellow racer. So if you could share this video really fast to anybody that you might know. When you come here, you can go right here and push this button right here. That button blows it up, and then you'll get an X up here. And of course, you got the arrows right there that you can scroll through. Let's see here. Come on. All right, so that's pretty much it. Let me see if I can help you out real fast. If you get signed up on IAAI, let's see here, public. Let's make sure the public can buy this before I have to delete this. Let's see here. Selling branch, auction. I'm not seeing if the public can buy it. I'm pretty sure it is open to the public. I'm pretty sure all salvage titles are open to the public, and a lot of branches do not allow the public to buy clean titles due to the extreme high risk of clean titles, and the public they don't understand the risk involved with buying a clean title. So all the salvage should be open. All right, so if you need any help, I'm pretty sure once you go, let's see here on their website, this is how it's gonna look. You'll start out right here, and it says right there, start buying with IAAI, register today. That's gonna be right on their website. When you go that, it's gonna say, please log out. I'm already logged in. Create an account, blah, blah, blah. Y'all are gonna have to go to the website really fast. I just clicked help. When you go to help, there's all kinds of stuff right here. How to buy from IAAI, documents and forms, new buyer resources. So if you're a new buyer right there, frequently asked questions right here. This will probably answer a bunch of your questions in case I can't get back to you in time. Contact us, chat. I don't know how late their chat's open. Support. You can call them. I don't know how late they are open. How, right there, frequency asked question, how do I register to bid? What payment options, blah, blah. I can go ahead and tell you that you can set your account up where you can pay with a credit card. They do not allow American Express, but you can pay with a credit card. So if you don't have the money, you can pay. You can buy this trailer with a credit card. You can also do a bank check, you know, all that kind of stuff. So look at them frequency asked questions, and y'all get at it. So I'm getting out of here this afternoon. I apologize that this didn't come to y'all sooner. We've been busting butt. You're gonna see on John's video, we worked on Randy's car last night till really late. I've been busting tail. It's Tuesday afternoon, just wide open. I wanted to get y'all this video Monday afternoon, and I literally just told Eddie I have to stop. I have to stop what I'm doing and get this video out to my viewers. So y'all, hopefully one of my subscribers will get this trailer. If you end up winning this trailer, let me know. I won't be bidding on it. John won't be bidding on it. We won't be touching it. I don't want to go to Ohio. I would have to fly to Ohio, rent a dually or something to bring the thing back, and then drive 8 hours back, because I would not drive 8 hours there and 8 hours back. So it's off the table for me. I'm hoping one of y'all get it. You can sign up in the middle of the night, and then you can get on the phone with them first thing in the morning if you have any questions. Y'all go get that trailer.